तुझ्याकडे काय आहे?
Today we'll welcome. Today we'll see if the key of Hyundai i20 is not working. So how you should start your vehicle. So that we'll see today. Now the one indication of battery low in your key is this one. You can observe the illumination is very less. So it means that the cell provided in the key is dead. So you need to replace the cell which is provided in this key. So this is electronic key. You can see simply. Now how to start the vehicle, we'll just check out. I'm just putting down key here and just pressing the, here you can observe engine stop button. I'm just trying to push this. It will show you the key not detected. You can observe here also the key not detected. So battery low is the indication. Now second thing we have, this is the engine stop button. If I'm again pressing, the same message will appear here. So that is key not detected. So how to resolve this issue? The simple thing is, you have electronic key which is with you. Just try to have the key just in front of your engine stop button. Press the clutch pedal and push this stop button with the help of the electronic key, and in this way your car will start automatically. So this is one way of starting your vehicle if the key is not working because of the cell is dead. So this is one thing you should follow in order to start your vehicle. So second thing, again I'm just closing one more time. I will show you this one. So the key is in front of you right now. I'm just pressing the engine stop button. Again it will show not detected. So one more time I'll put this key and I will try to press this with the help of the key itself, and in this case your vehicle will start. So this is the procedure which you should follow when the cell in the key is dead, and you can start your vehicle. So this is one thing which you can do in emergency if you're not having the replacement for cell immediately. So this is the process we can follow. Alternatively, if we say the car is locked from inside, so you have one separate we say manual key which is provided here. So you can use that manual key just by pressing here. Simply you can take it out, this key, by pressing this knob. So simply we'll just check it out. So this is your electronic. So you're having this key, using this key for opening, or we can say locking your car. So this can be done simply by using this manual key. So this is if you're in a situation where this key, electronic key, is not working, you can make use of this key in order to lock or unlock your vehicle. So I hope this is understood. In next part we'll see how to replace the key which has been provided inside. Thank you. So this manual key is used to lock or unlock your vehicle when this electronic key is not working. So this has been provision made by Hyundai. So you can lock or unlock your vehicle if the cell is dead. So we cannot start a vehicle with the help of this manual key. We have to start with the help of electronic key itself, because we don't have any option for manual key start. So here, just now, you can observe here again, this is key in front of you. I'm just keeping this key here so that I will try to start this with the help of hand. So again it will show is not detected. So this is the issue. One more time I'm taking this key, I'm trying to press this start stop button with the help of key. Your vehicle will start. So in this way, this is a process you need to follow when the key is not working. One more time we'll show you. So in this way you can lock or unlock your vehicle. These are two keys for Hyundai i20. First one, this is we say battery is dead here. Second one is working, illumination is less, so we need to replace cell from this key here. Second one, this is working absolutely fine. You can see here no such noise is being observed. So what you required is you require to replace the cell inside. So what you required is you have a coin cell that has to be replaced. So this is one Panasonic coil cell you need to use for this battery. So this is one pair I have. This one you can check it out. Just try to focus this here. This is cell C2032 3V. So this cell has to be replaced, which is available already in your electronic key. So that has to be replaced by the new one. So that is Panasonic CR2032. So this key can be replaced with this cell. So we'll try to replace this with the help of this new cell. This is coin cell. First process is, this is the key. Now first remove this manual key. Now gently, this is in front of you, gently press this on this side. Try to remove this part. You need to do this gentle. So part of this is open now, you can check. So gently open the remaining part. Okay, now this is open. Just check it out. Simply put this down. Okay, you can see now the key which is been available here. So this has to be replaced. So simply push this way. You can have access to this like this. This is again you can check it. This is Panasonic key 2033 3V. So I will try to replace this with the help of new one. So this is one new key we have. I will just try to push this inside. We also purchased the Panasonic itself, so I will just push this inside. So this work has been done. We'll keep this in here and put back the cover. Ensure this is properly done. Ensure this is properly done. like this. Now we can check noise. Yes, your vehicle is responding to this. So this is how replacement that can be done. Simple way is to purchase a Panasonic. So hardly will cost somewhere around 40 or 50 rupees outside, and push this, put this back.